In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a user to Odoo. Inviting users is an important step when you're setting up your Odoo workspace because it lets your teammates log in, access the right apps, and start collaborating with you. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process from the main dashboard, and I'll also share a few practical tips to avoid common mistakes. First, make sure you're logged in to your Odoo instance with an account that has administrator or user management permissions. If you don't have those rights, you won't see the options we're about to use. Once you're on the main Odoo dashboard, look for the Settings app. This usually appears as an icon labeled Settings on the main screen. Go ahead and click on Settings to open the configuration area of your database. When the Settings page loads, you'll see a number of configuration sections. Odoo may look slightly different depending on the version you're using, but the option to invite users is typically found in the Users or Users and Companies section. In this area, you'll see a place where you can invite new people by email. Look for a field where you can type in the email address of the person you want to add. Carefully type in the email address of the user you want to invite. It's important to double check for spelling errors here, because Odoo will send an invitation email directly to this address. If you enter it incorrectly, the person will never receive the link and you'll need to repeat the process. If you plan to invite multiple people, you can usually add one email at a time, sending an invitation for each user you want to bring into the system. After you've entered the correct email address, look for the button labeled Invite. This button is typically located right next to or below the email field. Click on Invite to send the invitation. Odoo will then create the user entry and send an email to the address you provided. That email will contain a link the person can use to set up their account, choose a password, and log into your Odoo environment. Once the invitation is sent, you're done on your side. You can monitor the status of invited users from the same users section later, in case you need to resend an invitation or update their access rights after they join.